Everybody knows we plotting on the low, looking for a come up and we gunning for the gold. Everybody knows we about to steal the show. I know we gonna make it, I can't wait to hit the road. Everybody knows we plotting on the low, looking for a come up.
We got it running. Water pump's good. No leaks so far. This fixing to be the first test drive. So let's go for it. Let's take us a ride. Whew. She is a bit hot out here today, but we're gonna go up the mountain and see how she does. Yep.
Sounds like it did before when you put the exhaust on.
Alright. We'll catch you on the road. We're doing good. We're holding temp is under 210. Second pull off. I'm gonna come over here and do a little turnaround, get out and show y'all some of the views while this thing cools off a little bit. I think I just seen oil temp just drop, or oil pressure drop, so let's get out and check things out. Alright, nope, that's not good.
What?
Oil pressure dropped again. We had it, but then it dropped. Alright, we are going to try and get to the house. Oil pressure needs to stay up. We're at 40 again. And we're dropping on the temperature, so we're doing good. But yeah. Well, let's do a little jam session.
Y'all know what this is. So death. I got trees in the jar, 23s on the car. You can bleed if I start. We on the boulevard. Got straps in my legs out. Hand on the trigger, need 30 more. Oh, the after these figures. See my neck so heavy, yeah, shine. See your back, stay with it, or you gon' keep West Coast. Button up if you wanna go get her, cause it is what it is. Everybody wanna love her, but when she pop,
woo, boss! Well, we's home. Alright, we're back home, and oil pressure is down just a little below 40. Temp is still under 200, which is good. Voltage is staying around the 14 mark, and that's normal. But I was having issues with this Speedo going crazy on me, but everything else is looking good. I just need to go ahead and check all the fluids and everything again, make sure it's all topped off. But as far as right now, sundown is looking like a possibility. So do me a favor, hit that like button. If you ain't already subscribed, I mean, we've gotten this far in the video, so you obviously like looking at me. But yeah, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, share it if you like what I got. I mean, I've got some information that other people could definitely use. But yeah, let's get to it. See you on the next one.